Hey, StikyPiston here, back with another video. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to build a working redstone computer in Minecraft Java Edition. So, let's get into it. Now how this thing works is you can see it comes in all the parts that you would expect a standard desktop computer to come in. So we have the actual tower itself, we have the keyboard, the mouse and the monitor. You can see the monitor even has a little webcam here, which is pretty cool. Now as you can currently see, nothing's actually plugged into the computer here. Now the way you plug it in is you can see there's these little things on the keyboard and the mouse. And then there's also this port here and a matching port here on the monitor. This is the video cable. So what we can do is we can just bring it out like so, and then just bring it down like so. And then all you have to do is just connect this into the same colored port on the computer itself. So like so, you can see we have two video ports. I'm just plugging it into the first one. Then we can plug the mouse in, so same thing, we just bring it across like so, and then we can bring it up, and then we can connect it like so. Now you might have noticed that there's also USB ports on the monitor. So for example, let's connect the keyboard to the monitor. So I can just come along like so, you can come up, and then we can connect into the monitor like so. If I can bring the cable here, I broke it. Okay, there we go. Now all of our peripherals are connected up and the monitor. So now all we have to do is just click the power button, and you can see that now the computer is on, and then all we have to do is press the power button on the monitor. And you can see here it is, it's loading the time as well. It says it's 12 o'clock when it's actually not, it's like 20 to 11 right now. You can see we have our menu bar at the top, we have our dock at the bottom, and you can see our keyboard here even has some lighting effects going on. Now to actually use this computer, you can see that we can't really move the mouse, and if we press keys on the keyboard it doesn't really do anything. But the way that we actually use the computer is we get an ender pearl while the computer's on. Then all we have to do is just throw the ender pearl at the computer and we'll be teleported inside. And oh, it worked! We are actually now inside the computer, and you can see we can move the mouse and it moves the mouse on screen, and we can even use the keyboard and it will do things on the computer. Now the way that you get out of this computer is the way you get out is you throw an ender pearl to get back out, but it seems I forgot to pack another ender pearl, so I guess we can't really do the tutorial now because I'm stuck inside the computer. And if any one of you wants to send an ender pearl my way, then that would be much appreciated, but I guess I'm just gonna have to live out the rest of my days inside a redstone computer. I mean, at least the components are decent. And, I mean, it should be fine, unless the power goes out.